Trying to generate random x, y coordinates within a ring in Python. I am trying to generate random x and y coordinates within a ring, which has an outer radius of 3.5 and an inner radius of 2. Therefore the following must be true for x and y. I wrote the following function. When I plot the resulting coordinates I get a square from minus 3.5 to 3.5. I can't seem to find the problem. I'm also not sure if it's a coding error, or some dumb math problem. Since you guys are usually good at both, can you see what I'm doing wrong here?
To get uniform distribution of random point in the ring, one should take relative areas of thin circular regions into account. How it works for the circle. For your case, generate uniform distribution of squared and range of squared inner and outer radii. Pseudocode.
Take a random angle and a random distance between the two constraints. You will need to produce a uniform distribution in a circle.
You're getting random points that don't fall on your ring because these two lines don't do what you want. These assign an x value from one point on the ring to xi, and the y value from a different point on the ring to yi. You get coordinates from different points because you're calling meteorites twice. Instead, you probably want to call the function once, and then assign to each coordinate, or do an assignment with iterable unpacking where both targets are on the left side of the equal sign.
Your implementation will also work if you correct one line. Instead of calling meteorites twice, call just once.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.